I tried a number of different apps that I found online, things like Relief and Sound Plus, Loop Player. There were a whole bunch of different apps I tried, and the Otto app was recommended by my audiologist, and I found the navigation of the tool, the daily progress, the comforting voice, the sounds, to be very, very beneficial, especially the exercises for sleep late at night. Found those very, very beneficial. Got me yawning, got me feeling tired, got me feeling ready for bed. And you know, for me, the foundation of dealing with tinnitus is a good night's sleep. The main benefit of the Otto app is the sheer volume of information on there. The daily routine is good. It gives me the chance to set time aside to use the Otto app, do the daily routine, and that may be at any time during the day. At nighttime, I'd want to really focus more on the sleep-oriented aspects of it. Just today, I used it. I felt tired. I had a busy day yesterday. Had to get up this morning for whatever reason, and then today I just spent 10-15 minutes lying on a couch, and it gave me a lovely little power nap, and for me that was priceless today. I would say that Otto is a great tool in your armory to deal with your tinnitus. Give it a go. It will soothe you. It will teach you to breathe. It will allow you to try and take some level of control over your tinnitus. And I think it's priceless at nighttime when you need to go to sleep.